We'll guide you through how to take a screenshot on a Samsung Galaxy phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So a screenshot is essentially a photo of the screen. So you can capture what's currently on there. Perhaps you want to go and save it to go and reference it again later, or even go and share with it with somebody. We'll guide you through two different ways you can go about this. So the first way, you can do it with a button shortcut on the phone. So what you can do is come onto the side, and you need to go and find the volume decrease to slower button and the side button. And you press them together like this. The screen should go and flash and the screenshot is then taken. You can find it in your gallery. Alternatively, you can go and drag down, and you want to go and drag down again like this. You may go and find the screenshot option in here. If you don't, press the pen or pencil in the top right, press edit in full, and at the bottom, find the option take screenshot. Press done, then press back, drag down again, and you can swipe across and find take screenshot, and it will then be taken.